So that one is there, that's good. This one has to go up there now. This one has to be, no, not that one. Which is the one? This one. Now's not a good time to text me, I'll be honest. Probably the worst time to get a text right now. In the history of getting texts, this one's stuck. Does it have to be stuck? Where's the one that I wanted up there now? Oh my God, this is so complicated. It's that one. That one is there. Yes? That one is there. What goes up here? Where's that one that I had? That one goes there. Cool. Now I gotta get that middle sorted. So this one and these four. So we're going to have to shift those around a little bit. That was in the way. Where does this one go? Need to figure out next is where this one goes. That one goes there. So. Boom. I got it.